Hey everybody, I'm Nikki from Doug and Nikki, and today we are checking out these cute little crystal stones. So this is the pink, so I wanted to show you guys. So you get the smaller stones, you get the larger stones, and then you get a little bag of the white stones, which is kind of cute. They're all nicely polished. Those are the large ones. These ones are polished too. Pretty are those? Look at how pretty those are. First off, how pretty does that look? Flowers, some nice fall flowers. How pretty does that look in there?